Alrighty, the first time I filmed this was on the cell phone, and I just realized that you can't really take a video of yourself riding the wheel. So this little video is going to be me delivering a UPS package to the correct house. It got delivered to my house, just 2 doors down. It's really interesting because the house number is very clearly visible on the houses here. But anyway, mistakes happen. The ironic thing is, I've ordered like $460 worth of plumbing fittings that were supposed to be delivered UPS today, and they haven't arrived. So it's just ironic that I have that being delivered, and you know, somebody else's package got delivered here. So I'm gonna hop on the wheel. It's just a couple houses down, and drop this off, do a good deed. And hopefully my plumbing parts come. Other than that, I'm kind of worried. You know, it's a lot of money, and it's UPS. I don't know if it was supposed to be here at 12, but usually it's like 12 or 4, and it's way past 4. So enough ranting about that. I'm gonna hop on the wheel, and my hands are really full. I'm a fool. Awesome. Cool. Let's see how this works out. Nice and confident on the mount. These trees are more than a little tricky. Oh yeah, you gotta love the wheel. And it's funny, it was raining really bad today. It's Cleveland in the rain, just Cleveland in the rain. It's always the same 'cause it's Cleveland in the rain. Bum, bum, ba, bum, ba, bum. And I actually took the dogs for a walk. I got drenched, and I didn't have to if I would have just waited. It's hard to believe it was like a hurricane this morning. There it is. Here's the correct address. And yeah, I'm gonna stop filming. Oh look, they got another. That's hilarious. So there's my, I can't believe this. I'm gonna have to put this in the film. There's my UPS package, and I have theirs. So I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna turn the wheel off and try and straighten this mess out. Let's see. Yep, that's my address, my package. The thing is, I can't really. This is really heavy. So I definitely want to say something to these people if they're here. Is there somebody coming? No, just little doggies. Alrighty, but anyway, just to make sure, there's that's my package, so I might as well grab it. And I'm gonna have to call UPS. What an awesome video! Thank you, UPS. So every time life throws you lemons, just make a video. Real people, real service. Ugh. Thank God I have the camera. It's like I can't even live a regular life without the camera. So yeah, I wasn't planning on riding my unicycle with plumbing parts, plumbing fittings, but I guess that's what's gonna happen. Alrighty, so it pays to do a good deed. I got my plumbing fittings, and it looks like they're all there for right now. I have another shipment of them coming tomorrow. So, yeah, I think that's going to do it for this video. I want to thank UPS for being incompetent. You gave me material to do another UPS video. Thanks. And thanks to all you guys who watch. I really appreciate all of you. So thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you later. Have a good one, guys.